Use all your efforts even when the possibilities play against you. Arnold Palmer. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, one trick pony. One trick pony. In this class, we are going to discuss in detail about the idiom one trick pony and the usage of the idiom. Let's get into the lesson. One trick pony. A person or thing with only one special feature, talent, or of expertise. It is called one trick pony. If you have only one talent, if you are expert in only one area, you are called as one trick pony. Someone or something that is only good for one particular purpose or at doing one particular thing is called one trick pony. A person or thing considered as being limited to only one single talent, capability, or quality is called as one trick pony. So, one trick pony means expertise in only one area, having only one single talent. Someone or something that is skilled in only one area is called as one trick pony. Now, we are going to use this idiom one trick pony in sentence. Look at this sentence. As a tailor, I am a one trick pony. I can only stitch blouse. It means, as a tailor, I am talented in stitching blouse only. So, I am a one trick pony. They were a one trick pony before and now they are able to provide a full range of services. In the past, they have the capacity to do a thing, only one thing. They are able to do only one thing, or they are expertise in only one thing. They are doing only one service. But now they are able to provide a full range of services. A person who expertises in only one area is called one trick pony. In this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the idiom one trick pony. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.